So the next topic that we are going to discuss about is differentiability. Till now we have discussed about the limit. We have also discussed about the continuity part. And now it is time to discuss differentiability. I'll just give you a brief idea. I'm not going to discuss about the derivatives right now. I'll just give you a brief idea because I know derivatives are something that you are able to solve. So I'm not going to focus on derivatives a lot. I'll take the derivatives at the end. That is not a problem. After differentiability, we'll directly move to Leibniz equation, chain rule, implicit functions, and how to solve different kind of derivation like differentiation. But I'll not go into the basics of differentiation, that this, the differentiation of x to the power n, x to the power n is this and that. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that at all. I hope that I'm clear till this part. I hope that I'm crystal clear till this part. Okay, sir. कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं. So now what you're going to do? Differentiability. So now you know limit. Now you know what do you mean by limit. So the value of a function at a particular point. Value of a function at a particular point. That suppose this is x is equal to a. Whether the function is defined at x is equal to a or not, that is told by limit. Now, whether this function is connected to the right and the left value of the function or not, that is told by continuity. Now, since the point is defined, the next and the backward point is defined, so now we can perform the differentiation because suppose this is point A. So this is something more, something next to A, like see, this is at x is equal to a, the value of the function. This is something more than a, this is something less than a. But I have defined both the left and right points. Now if I want to find out the differentiation, see, differentiation is dy by dx only, and that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. But for this you need y2, y1 and x2 and x1. I hope you are getting my point. So you need y2, you need y1, you need x2, you need x1. Is it clear to you? Is this thing clear to you? If it is clear to you, you understand that you require the points, you require the next and the previous points. Then only you will be able to calculate the difference. Then only you will be calculate the then only you will be able to calculate the difference. Macha. See, good. Now, what is LHD and what is RHD? Differentiation, I'm telling you. See, after this, I'll directly jump to chain rule and Leibniz equation after this topic. I'll not enter into the basics of differentiation and all. I know you all know that. And this is a very crucial period. Na? Suppose you need to differentiate the function at this point. So you need to draw a tangent at this point. This is what do you mean by differentiation. Now, if you need to draw the tangent, I'll zoom it up. I'll zoom it up for you. Suppose you need to calculate the differentiation at this point. So now there will be a left hand derivative, that is you will take a left point and this, and you will try to calculate the differentiation with respect to the previous point. So this is your left hand derivative. Similarly, you will take a right hand point and you will try to find out, this will be your y2, this will be your y1, but in previous case this is your y2, this is your y1. Is it clear? So this is nothing but right hand derivative. Right hand derivative. So what you are doing right now, you are calculating the differentiation of that point with respect to previous point, and in RHD you are finding the difference in the values of that point with respect to the next point. If these two values are equal, means the slope of this and the slope of this are equal, can you say that this acts as a straight line and that acts as a tangent? For example, suppose this is the point. Now if I want to check the derivative at this point, now the derivative with respect to previous point will go like this, whereas the derivative with respect to next point will go like this. So both the derivatives, the direction of both the lines are different, whereas in this case the direction of both the lines are same. I hope you are getting my point. So the function is not differentiable at this point. So that is why whenever there is a notch, we say that the function is not differentiable, that this function is not differentiable. Is it clear? So whenever there is a notch, because at notch the tangent changes its direction, so that is why the left hand derivative and the right hand derivative should be the left hand derivative and the right hand derivative should be equal, because this is highly required. I hope this is clear to you. I hope this is clear to you. I hope this is clear to you. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द बेसिक. नाउ देखो, डिफरेंशिएशन इंटीग्रेशन में इस कॉन्सेप्ट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, बट दिस इज एक्चुअली समथिंग दैट हेल्प्स यू टू क्लैरिफाई व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. सपोज आई नीड टू डिफरेंशिएट अ फंक्शन एट दिस पॉइंट. Suppose I need to differentiate a function at this point, so I need to draw a tangent at this point. But to draw a tangent, I need the previous and the next point if you logically see. So that is why it is very important for you to understand. If you are not able to understand, please be relaxed. You are not going to face any difficulty while solving the problems. But this actually helps you to clarify, and it is not possible to understand in the first go. Okay. In the next lecture, we will start with the Leibniz theorem then. So there is a new batch that is launched on 24th of November for GATE 2024, and there is another batch called as Bunyad that will be launched on December 21 for GATE and PSU, but for 2025. Now these two batches are absolutely one of the best batches out there in the country for GATE CSE preparation. Okay, but why you should join these batches? Obviously legendary educators are teaching in this. Apart from that, you will also get access to 8500 plus pages per branch, and along with that you will also get 5600 plus unique questions that will help you to be exam ready. You will be getting the daily doubt solving classes, daily practice problems. I don't think this will be a big issue to you. Apart from that, if you want to buy plus an iconic subscription, first of all you can use the code Prakhar10 to get a flat 10% discount. And apart from that, the prices for 12 month of subscription for plus is 28,859 rupees. 28,859 rupees after you apply the code Prakhar10. Otherwise it is 32,000 after price drop. So ultimately you will be saving approximately 12,000 rupees. That is 30% of the original amount. Similarly, if you try to go for iconic subscription, you will be saving approximately 26%. So go now on Unacademy platform, use the code Prakhar10 and get yourself a 10% discount. And don't these are the recorded lecture prices that I have already discussed. And if you are not enrolled for All India mock test, then go get yourself enrolled, because you can get 100% scholarship in this. So someone who is securing rank between 1 to 10 will be getting 100% scholarship. Rank 11 to 60 will be 75%, rank 61 to 200 will be 50%, and if you are under 500 you will be getting a discount. And it will also help you to realize that how a GATE paper looks like, what you feel while giving the paper. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself exam ready and get yourself some of the discount offer that are going on. So when you are having these tests will be there on 4th of December, 18th of December, 8th of January, 15th of January, 22nd January and 29th January. And you can register absolutely free using the code Prakhar10. Okay, so I don't think you will be having any doubt. Thank you.